Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, I haven't been here in a little bit. I had to take a little bit of a mental health break. And so here I am again, and it really feels funny, but I look forward to sharing my beauty fix with you. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my beauty fix, please stay tuned. My beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And I feel so discombobulated now that I haven't recorded in about a little over a week, because you remember I went on my anniversary break, and then after that I came back and I just been very busy. And plus, with the elections and everything that's going on, my mind just was not in it. And I always said to myself, I'm not gonna do something unless I love doing that one thing, right? And so, there's been, it's been 2 years now that I've had this channel, and I met great friends, and, that's what keeps me going is you, my beautiful wildflowers. Otherwise, if it wasn't for you, I would have been gone a long time ago. But, sometimes it's difficult, with everything going on with work. And also, I put some of my hobbies aside because I don't have time to do everything. And so, yeah, I've been trying to pick up a little more on my hobbies and getting back to doing what I love the most. And I do apologize that, I haven't been recording as much, but I really do love recording. But I think I need to have a proper balance in my life. Speak of balance, that's my husband. And so, yeah, it is what it is, right? So anyway, today I do have my beauty fix, and I did want to go ahead and unbox this for you. But before we do that, let's go ahead and do a motivation. And I just saw this come up, and I thought it was such a great thing. And I said, you know what, I'm going to share this one. This is a really, really good one in my opinion. And there's my husband again. Okay, and it says, it's okay to be aware of what other people think about you. It's not okay to let it dictate your actions. And that is so, so true. There's so much garbage going on out there, and people that are just totally lost it, in my opinion. And, sometimes they're in a bunch, right? They're like in a little gang, and they kind of like cliquish pick on people, right? And so, it does affect people when there's a bunch of people saying, something to you, but you really shouldn't let it bother you. And especially now, it's just like this gang mentality out there that's not healthy. And that's another reason why I try to stay away from social media, because it's been really, really, really out there lately. And so, I try not to let it get to me. Sometimes it does, because, I just wonder, I think, okay, what happened? What happened to this world? I woke up one day. Post-COVID, is it just that messed up? Did people get so messed up during COVID that they come out of the other end with some of these crazy notions? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that's enough of that. But like I said, it's okay to be aware. But don't let it, really dictate what you do next. Be yourself. If you have to get away from that social media and you have to just kind of take care of your mental health, do that, okay? So it is what it is. So that's that. And that's what I've been doing as well. I've been trying to stay away from all the drama and just do my thing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open this box because you guys are probably curious what's in here. I am curious too. And remember, this is the box that just drives me nuts when it comes to the little, spaghetti, because it's black and it gets dusty and it's everywhere. But it says we're here for the unabashed love of skin beauty fix. And I deal with it because I like the product so much, and they have really good products. But as you notice, they do have little black spaghettis in here, and they do leave a black dust. And so, yeah. Anyway, this box is $24.95 a month, and it comes monthly, and it's by the Dermstore. And they usually have at least one full-size items. So let's see what they have this month. Okay, the first thing, and they have really good brand names, by the way. It's things that people know about. Like this one here, SkinCeuticals Tripeptide Neck Repair. High performance retinol correction for early to advanced signs of neck aging. You know, I definitely will try this because I do use already something for my neck, and it's Strivectin, but I'm always, you know, looking for new things. So this is a pretty decent size. Look at it. And it says clinically demonstrated to smooth visible horizontal necklines, firm neck skin, and reduce crepiness. Wow, if it even just, you know, helps with the crepiness, that would be great. And SkinCeuticals is a good company. And yeah, and it's a pretty decent size. Yeah, you see? So, yep, I'm going to give it a try and let you know what I think. Because like I said, I do use Strivectin, but I'm always looking for new things. So, that's that. Okay, the next thing here. Oh, I'm so glad I got this because I'm so dry right now, right in here. And it's Cicaplast Balm B5, and this is by La Roche-Posay, and there it is. And this is, you know, I had a big tube last year, and I finished using it, and I was just thinking that I need to go get some of this, and this is really good. It's a skin protectant. It's soothing, therapeutic, multi-purpose cream, and believe me, it works. Because last year, what happened was it started out with me doing a kind of like a peel, but not a really, you know, severe peel, but just a regular chemical peel. But it was in the wintertime, and I ended up getting these dry patches that were so terrible, like right around here, and right under my nose. And it was just like, oh my God, I was dying. And then so I went and bought this actually from CVS. And I actually used it, and it worked well. I used the whole tube last year, and so I'm kind of glad I got this. And this one is with B5. I'm not sure if the other one had B5. And this one also is with La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water. I think this is a little bit fancier than what I had last year, but this is definitely Cicaplast. That's it, Cicaplast. And that was the name of it. And so here it is. And these are only good for about 6 months anyway. I think that's what it was. Hold on. Once it's opened. Yes, it's good for 6 months once it's open. Here's a little tube here. And I mean, these are so great. And I'm going to be traveling actually again for Thanksgiving. I'm going up to Washington State and visiting a couple of my friends. So yeah, I'll take this with me, especially up there because it's wet and it's kind of like sticky, you know, like humid type. And I always like to protect my skin under that condition. So that's that. And then the next thing in here is, oh, this is what I smell. Oh, this is such a nice smell. It's grapefruit. It's by Nest. You guys know this brand. I mean, this is such a great smelling. Oh my God. Oh, there it is. It's a candle. Oh, I'm going to light this. And I'm just going to like, what I like to do with these, I light it a little bit while I'm in this room. And then I put it out and then I light it again. And just because once it's lit, it smells real, even without it being lit, right? It's like, I can smell it. Oh gosh, this is so nice. So far, so good. I'm liking it. And then the next thing, which I think is the full size. I mean, this is full size, but I think this is also full size. Ooh, and then we have some dust here. And it's by Clarity. And it's Take Your Vitamins Daily Mineral Spray for Thirsty Skin. Oh, that is such, you know what? I mean, hello. I mean, this is definitely welcome. It's nourish, hydrate, and refresh your skin. Clarity. You know, there are times that, like, you know, during the day, I feel like my skin is like really dry, like now. And I'm actually not wearing any foundation today. I just put on the fall filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and then I just put my blush on, my liquid blush, and a little bit of lip balm with the fragrance. No, with color, yeah, with tint, yeah. So, okay, hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh, this is such a fine mist. I like it, and it doesn't smell like anything, so that's good. So, yeah, Take Your Vitamins. It's a vitamin water. I'm gonna give this a try and see if it really works. But that's nice, actually. It's refreshing. And the next thing in my box is again by Skin Inc. And this is Coenzyme Q10 Serum. Wow, these are really great things in this box this month. They're really knocking it out of the park. So, okay, here it is. And then the thing is, I mean, you get discounts at the Dermstore when you do actually use these. Oh my God, look at this. This is so nice. CoQ10 Serum. And these are things that you know me in skincare. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So what does this do? It says oh, that's in Spanish. Okay, contains coenzyme Q10, which is proven to help skin look and feel firmer and more lifted. Blend with up to 2 other skin ink encapsulated serums to create a powerful cocktail designed for you. Directions: 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. Oh, and it's got a nice little seal on it. You see that? Wow. I'm going to give that a try. Okay. And that's that. And is there anything else in here? Yeah, there is. There's one more thing in here, right? I don't want to stick my hand in there too much because it's really dusty. The last thing is Pigment Gel Pro by PCA Skin. So what is this? I don't want to open it. It's Intensive Dark Spot Corrective Serum. Okay, I don't have dark spots, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway because it's completely sealed. I don't want to open it. I have a feeling it's one of those pumps. And there it is. And these are good to correct the dark spots. And, sometimes because some people already have the tendency to have concentrated parts of, darkness. And when they get in the sun, they get darker spots. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this one in the giveaway. So what did I get? Is that it? I want to make sure that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. That's enough. So what did I get for $24.95? I got this Tripeptide Neck Repair, which I'm definitely going to try. And then I got this Clarity. Take your vitamins, water, mineral water. And then this CoQ10 Serum. And my Cicaplast by La Roche-Posay. And this beautiful grapefruit fragrance Nest Candle. And this PCA Skin Dark Spot Remover. So not bad. Oh, not bad. What you guys think? So yeah. Whew. I just talked a million miles an hour. But guys, yeah, I think this is great, don't you? So anyway, yeah. I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you, and I do still have another box to open, which is my Macy's box, and hopefully I'll get that open. I'm trying to get this one up on Saturday, which is today. I'm going to try really hard. It's beautiful out there. My husband is at a conference, and I actually spent the morning at Bass Pro Shops and just, shopping for a couple of things. I had to pick up some things that I ordered, and so yeah, then today's been mine. And so, but yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and maybe take a nap or something after I edit this video. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you do like this type of content, please do subscribe and the buttons below. And please select all and ring the bell so that way you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But remember, in the field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Guys, it's hot in here. I have my sweatshirt on and it was cool outside, but it's starting to get hot, so I'm gonna have to change my clothes. So it's been a while since I recorded. It felt kind of glitchy and kind of like weird when I started recording, but I just been trying to spend some time for myself, and because I don't have any time to do a whole lot anymore, and I really want to record, but then again, I want to do my hobbies too. And sometimes when I do my hobbies, I leave early in the morning and I don't come back to the evening, because my big thing right now that I haven't done and I want to continue to do is I used to target practice. I used to competitive shoot, and so I haven't done that in a while, and I got back into it recently, and so. But that's an all-day thing, but I need to record too. I was thinking maybe I'll record that, but I said no, because this is a beauty channel and people will be like, oh, what the heck, right? So yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I haven't been recording much, but I'm just trying to take some, mental health time for myself. And also, I'm a little late in shipping things out, and I apologize for that as well, because I know I owe a couple of people things, and I have it sitting right here, and I just need to run to the post office. So yeah, so much has been happening. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much. You know I care about you guys, and I think about you. And thank you guys, those of you who DM me and also write me emails. I do read it. I just need to respond to you guys. But you know, I love you all from the very bottom of my lip ventricles. And I want you to really be careful out there and be safe and have a positive outlook and always look for the silver lining. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.